Hello, today I'm going to show you how to switch the military time or the 24-hour format on your Apple Watch. So, in the most cases, everything you do on your iPhone is going to be on the Apple Watch, automatically because of the synchronization, but not the time actually. And you cannot change the format on your Apple Watch using only the watch. You need to change it on the watch app on your iPhone. And what this means, the military time and the 24-hour, it means that if you go to the settings on your iPhone, right here, and go to General and go down a little bit through the date and time, you can choose the 24-hour format, and as you can see now is 6 to 18 o'clock, no, 5 to 18 o'clock. And if you want to stay in a 12-hour format, it means that it's 5 to 6 p.m. And as you can see, if I change it on the iPhone, it is not changing on the Apple Watch. And you cannot do this on the settings using only the Apple Watch. So what you want to do is just go to the watch app on your iPhone, which is connected to the Apple Watch. And now let's just go. You cannot do this through the general settings. You just need to click on a time clock right here, this icon. And now you can change to the military time or 24-hour format. And now, as you can see, it has changed. So yeah, this is how you change the format of your time on the Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.